Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course by Henry Harvin Education, and it's a university, and it's 4.8 rating out of 5. And if we go down, these are the placement, and if we go down, these are the key highlights. 6+ industry case studies are there, assignments, mini projects are there, 192 hours of self-paced learning is also there, and these are the companies partnered with for the placement. And these are the modules in the UI UX design course, like interface design, visual design, resume writing is also there, interaction design is also there. And these are the tools covered like Figma, AI, and HTML, Weasley, uh, Photoshop. So they covered the AI tool, but not the all tools they have covered like Adobe Sketch and Miro, FigJam, and these are the certification. These are the leaders. These are the why choosers, and again, overall the UI of this page is very cluttered and too much overspace is there. And if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0.5 for me because they didn't mention proper detailing about the UI with fundamentals. And so fundamental is again 0.5 for me. And UI design quality is also 0 for me because overall the page quality is also not very good. And hand-on project is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. And tools and software training is again 0.5 for me because they are not covering the all the AI tools and all the Figma tools. And it is not a future-oriented course. The course is for beginner level only. And mentorship feedback is 0.5 for me. And placement portfolio development is again 0.5 for me. Placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. Course wellness fees is 0.5 for me. And industry relevance update is 0.5 for me. So if we count down total on out of 10, so it's a 4 out of 10 course, and it's a below average course, or it's a beginner level course. If you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can go with that. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UI UX fundamentals. And also I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and portfolio development, and also guide you about placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.